Hi, fellow Webflowers. If you are new to this channel, I am Nico, Webflow developer and co-founder of the one and only Webflow partner agency in Munich, Bavaria in Germany. Today, I'm really excited because we are going to have a look at the rebuilds of the Apple iMac website. So we did a live stream and I've recoded the Apple iMac website, the first 3 sections. And I'm gonna go over them now, step by step with you, to show you how all these sections are working inside of Webflow and how they were achieved. And then I will show you the hero animation and how I achieved the hero animation from the Apple iMac website inside of Webflow. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So inside of Webflow, what you can see basically, here's the HTML, and first of all, I'll go over the basic HTML and then I'll go over the hero animation. And to show you the hero animation, it's, like this. So what you can see is the Apple iMac, and basically there's a video inside of iMac, and it's getting scaled down. And when it's scaled down, the heading will go up. And I'm explaining you how this was achieved in a second, but before that we will go over the basic HTML. So first of all, I got the nav, and that's just with the Apple UI, nothing special. It's just CNAV logo, CNAV menu for M, and that's just the nav. Now we're going to go over the next element. That's a C header, and that's really important for semantic coding. It's a header element. It's not a section, it's not a, nav, it's not a div block. This is actually a header element, and I'll link an article on semantic coding inside of the description. This is really important. Semantic programming or semantic coding is really important to Google to understand your website. So go check it out. It's really important when you are programming websites. All right, so next is the C section. That's the section element. And then we got the container element, the C container hero, and then the C hero wrap. And in this C hero wrap, we got 2 elements. So first of all, that's the text wrap, and then we got the video wrap. The text wrap is pretty simple. It's just heading and paragraph. And then we got the C hero video wrap, and that's now the exciting part, I think. So in this C hero wrap, we got 2 elements. First of all, we got the C hero image, and that's just basically, if I quickly make it display now, that's basically just the iMac. Okay, and now we have down here the C video wrap, and you can see it right away. This is an HTML embed element. So if I'm going to inspect that, you will see a code basically. And that's just the HTML for a video element. So I got a video with a class of C video. It's muted, it's of autoplay, it's placed inline, and it's area hidden. That's for accessibility reasons, really important. Okay, next is the source, and that's basically an S3 bucket from Amazon Web Services. If you don't know what S3 bucket is, it's basically a service provided by Amazon Web Services where you can store all your data inside. So you can store videos inside, you can store all your different assets inside, and then you can link to these assets. That's really valuable if you have exactly this case right now, because what you cannot do is you cannot just get this MP4 and get a video element and then link it with the, so that's not working with Webflow. So you gotta have to find another solution. And it's also not a really good solution to put a YouTube video inside of here, because if you would put a YouTube video inside of there, it would display the YouTube UI and the controls and all these annoying stuff that you don't want to have. You just want to have the video without any play or pause buttons or YouTube links. So what you want for this design to happen is just a video and with none of these UI elements. So that's the perfect use case for here. It's the HTML embeds and the video element. Okay, and then under this video, what I actually didn't explain was how have I styled this video wrap. And what you can see right here, this video has a class of cVideo. It's not the class of cVideo wrap, it's basically the class of the video. So that's really important that you give the video a class, and then you can style this class. So you got the class of cVideo, and if I'm going into a div block and then giving it the class of cVideo, you will see that cVideo has a width of 100% and a max height of 430 pixels. So if I am exceeding, for example, this max height, what you will see is that also the video will exceed. And that's just because it's the video has the class of cVideo, and if I'm styling the cVideo class inside of Webflow, automatically the video class will be styled also, because it's the same class. Okay, I'm going to get to 430 again, and then I'm gonna delete this video. So actually, when you embed anything, a video or a photo or whatever, you don't have to style it in the code. So you can just use a class and then style it with the class inside of Webflow. Okay, and now we got another thing, that's the gear wrap. That's just a wrapper for this gear right here. And all the other things are pretty simple. That's just HTML and pretty simple text, nothing special. Okay, but now we are going to go to the animation, and I think that's the most exciting part. So how did I achieve the animation? Basically, what you can see, first of all, there is this video wrap, and then it's scaled down, and then a text, it's going up. And how was this running? So we're going to go to the interactions tab of Webflow. Okay, so what you can see right here, we have the page trigger and we have a page load function. If I'm going to go onto this page load function, you'll see when page finishes loading, start animation, and right here you can see the animation that's starting. It's the C hero text animation. So this animation right here is going to start when the page is finished loading. Basically when the page finishes loading, the animation will start. So what's happening here? So we got a move, we got opacity, scale, another move, opacity, and scale. First of all, this right here is the initial state. So when I'm going onto this, you'll see that the C hero text was moved down, and that's for the initial state. The opacity of this gear wrap with the photo was also set to 0, so you cannot see it. And then we have the C hero text wrap. It's on opacity of 0%, so you cannot see it. And then we have this video, which is scaled up, so it's more bigger. And then the next step is to get a delay inside. So for this C hero text wrap opacity, so for this C hero text, I've set a delay of 1 second, so that it takes 1 second for this text to go up. Because if this text right here would go up right away without a delay, what will happen, and I will show you that, let me show you that. So what will happen is that it's going up too fast, okay? So what I want to have that is basically that this thing has a delay of 1 second, so that this will be slow. Okay, perfect. And now after this delay, we will have the move function, and then we will have C gear wrap basically. And then we will have the scale down of the C hero video wrap. So it's not only scaling down the video, it's also scaling down the iMac image. Exactly. That takes 2.5 seconds with an easing of alt quad. And that's, for all of these animations have the easing of alt quad and a delay of 1 second and a duration of 2.5 seconds, so that it all looks decent. And then this animation, will appear basically. And look, it's looking great actually. It's looking really awesome. I like it. And that's basically how the animation works and how the whole website's set up. So the naming is basically set up. It's a C before every element, and then we have a underscore for the where am I, like underscore hero. That's really important. just for consistent coding, consistent naming structure. That's really important just for the structure of the page. All right, so that's it for the video, and I hope it was insightful for you and you could learn something from it. If you need professional help, if you set up a Webflow website, if you migrate to Webflow and you need professional development help, then you can contact us at contact@bloggedin.de, or just go onto our website and give us a request. All right, so that's it for the video. We see each other in the next one, and till then, happy coding.